Meet Alex. A few years ago, he was just like many of us, struggling to keep up with bills, trying to find a way to save for the future. He felt trapped in a cycle of financial uncertainty, always wondering if there was a better way. One day, Alex stumbled upon an article about decentralized finance, or DeFi. It was full of unfamiliar terms and concepts that promised a new way to manage and grow wealth. Alex was skeptical at first. After all, it seemed too good to be true, but curiosity got the better of him. He decided to dig deeper, spending hours watching videos, reading articles, and trying to understand what DeFi was all about. The idea of a financial system not controlled by banks or governments intrigued him. The more he learned, the more fascinated he became. DeFi offered tools for earning passive income, things like staking, yield farming, and joining liquidity pools. But it also came with risks, and Alex knew he needed to be careful. Alex was skeptical, though it sounded too much like those get-rich-quick schemes. He talked to friends, sought advice, and did more research. He didn't want to rush into something he didn't fully understand. After weeks of research, he decided to test the waters with a small amount of money. He chose a DeFi platform and made his first investment. His heart raced as he clicked the button. This was a big leap into the unknown. Alex started small, first learning about staking, locking up his crypto in a network to earn rewards. Next, he ventured into yield farming, moving his assets between different platforms to maximize returns. And then, he explored liquidity pools, where he could earn fees from trades made in the pool he contributed to. Each step was a learning experience. Alex had to navigate complex interfaces, calculate potential yields, and constantly monitor his investments. It was a lot of work, but the potential rewards kept him motivated. But DeFi wasn't without risks. One day, Alex received news that a platform he invested in had been hacked. His heart sank as he realized he could lose everything. In a panic, Alex rushed to withdraw his funds. This was the dark side of DeFi: rug pulls, hacks, and the constant fear of losing it all. He knew he needed a better strategy to manage these risks. Determined not to give up, Alex took steps to protect himself. He diversified his investments across multiple platforms, set up secure wallets, and made sure to stay informed about potential threats. Risk management became a key part of his strategy. He also started engaging with the DeFi community, learning from others and sharing his experiences. This support network was crucial in helping him navigate the ever-changing landscape of decentralized finance. Slowly but surely, Alex started seeing the fruits of his labor. His investments grew, and the returns were beyond anything he had imagined. For the first time, he felt in control of his financial future. With his newfound income, Alex paid off his debts, started saving for the future, and even treated himself to some of the things he had always wanted. DeFi was no longer just a hobby, it was a lifeline. But Alex knew that success in DeFi wasn't just about making the right investments, it was about staying educated. He continued to learn, adapting to new trends and technologies, always staying one step ahead. He made it a habit to read up on DeFi regularly, always looking for new opportunities and better ways to manage his investments. It wasn't easy, but the rewards were worth it. Looking back, Alex realized how far he had come. From a place of doubt and skepticism to becoming a confident DeFi investor, his journey was one of learning, growth, and transformation. Now, he's not just an investor, he's a mentor, helping others take their first steps into the world of decentralized finance. He knows the risks, but he also knows the rewards. For Alex, DeFi wasn't just about making money, it was about taking control of his financial destiny. And while the road wasn't easy, it was a journey worth taking. Remember, the world of DeFi is full of opportunities, but it's also full of risks. Always do your research, stay informed, and invest wisely. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.